Ripple hit 50 cents today. Is this signs for more downside, or is this just a retracement for a further move higher? This we're going to discuss now on the Lunex Crypto channel. My good friend Ripple. I've been following Ripple for about 2 years now. I really dabbled in the forex market. I've been dabbling in the forex market for the last 2 years. To be honest with you, and to be a complete transparency, I didn't really start fully holding coins on a long-term basis until this year. I held Litecoin 2 years ago, but Litecoin annoyed me, and then I found Ripple, and I really enjoy the way it moves, and I like the price action on it. It's not as volatile as Bitcoin, which makes it a little bit easier to trade, and so I do actively trade Ripple from time to time if there is enough volume and if there's a position or an opportunity. And so currently in my portfolio that I just started this year, and it's up about 1,000%, which sounds crazy to somebody who is on for the first time. And so as I will actually show a screenshot of that in another video, but these are the returns you can get within the crypto market. I actually bought in on Ripple at around about 25 cents. Yeah, I bought in at Ripple at 25 cents and caught this entire move up, and then I came out at around 70 cents. So I took profit around 70 cents, and now my holdings or my profits are on the sidelines right now, and I'm just waiting for a retrace to then buy back in. And to be quite honest with you, I missed the buy-in. I was going to set a buy limit at 50 cents to accumulate more, and I would have been in profit right now, but not a problem. No FOMO here. All right, we're going to be patient, and this is what I'm thinking is possible in the short term, medium short term range here for Ripple. So today we came into the 50 cents region. As I said earlier, we came down and we immediately pulled out of it, which tells us that there's a lot of liquidity in this particular region. And in order for price to take out the 50 cent, this 50 cent price, there needs to be a lot of bearish momentum to the downside. Why are you saying that there's bearish momentum? Why are you saying this? Everybody else is saying that Ripple is going to be at $1.50 by January. I always find it interesting when people are giving their price predictions by a particular month. It's extremely difficult to time the market and to say where price is going to be at a particular time. The market knows no time, right? In terms of price knows no time. So to then forecast a particular moment or time or date or a month is very, very difficult. And so what I like to say is this may happen at some time in the future, right? I think that's more logical. I think that is more of a more relaxed approach, and I believe it's a more practical approach as we look at the markets. And so now, as I said earlier, in order for price to take out 50, in order for 50 cents to be taken out, there needs to be a lot of buildup of bearish momentum, and we are actually getting the buildup of that bearish momentum now. Why am I saying that? As you can see here, we're having a series of, as you can see here, a series of lower high formations here, lower high, lower high, lower high. We're making lower lows, right? Making these lower lows here, and we made another low here today. So if we were to take a look at this, this is what we call the forming of a downtrend, of a bear trend, right? This is the forming of a bear trend. And once this starts to form, we see multiple forms of this, then we know that a trend is forming. How can I get rid of these things? Okay. I'm not the best with TradingView. I don't get into all the nitty-gritty like some other people, but I digress. Once we get a series of lower highs, lower lows forming, then that is the formation of a bearish trend. And as we can see here, this is exactly what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. So this is a more shorter outlook, short-term outlook, and we're getting that forming. Now, if this continues to form without any move or breaking of any of these highs that we see here, right? If this continues to form without any breaking of these highs, any of these highs here, right? If price doesn't pop above and make new highs here, then what's going to happen is, I believe that 50 cents could be taken out. And if it's taken out, then we could be looking at 30 cents, right? And so I'm being patient right now. I think another possibility is if we break structure, if we break that downtrend structure, we pop above, right? Then I think we could be going to about 80 cents. That's also possible. And so I'm keeping my eye on that. And so for me, again, just like Bitcoin, I'm a bit neutral. To be honest, I'm probably a 60 to 70% bearish on XRP at this point, 60 to 70% bearish. But this is my short-term bias. Long-term, obviously, I'm bullish. And I believe that eventually, I believe Ripple is going to be heading into, let me go on the monthly here. I believe Ripple, if this particular momentum, bullish momentum continues and we break 80 cents, if we break 80 cents, I can see us heading into $1.20, $1.40, $1.30, right? I can see that happening long term. But for now, in the short term, I believe there's a bit of bearish momentum, a bearish trend forming, and I'm watching the 50 cent region. If it takes it out, you guys will be the first to know. I'm going to be making a video on that. However, if it pops above, then 80 cents is my next target on Ripple. I hope that this has been a help to you. I hope that by watching these videos and you're thinking about investing in the cryptocurrency market, that my videos in some way, shape, or form is adding value to what you're doing. I hope that you pick up something from this. Let me know in the comment section if you agree. Please like and subscribe. Please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis on cryptocurrency. And we break down news, and I continue to give tips into investing in the cryptocurrency market. So if you like what we're doing here, smash that like button, subscribe, and remember, you come here to receive the tools to invest confidently in the crypto market. See you all next time.